Hi, my name is Dave Ogburn. I live in Texas, and I've been racing cars for 22 years. I fucking love it.
All right, hey, just a smidge up.
This weekend, we are in Sebring, Florida for the opening round of the SCCA Super Tour. It's the top amateur racing series in the country, if not the world. We have to qualify within the top 50% of our class during the regular season to qualify for the single race SCCA National Championship Runoffs.
We are here for the 60th running of SCCA's National Championship Runoffs.
The Runoffs is the winner-take-all. Everybody comes to one track and we all see who did their homework.
Paul Newman, Mark Donahue, Roger Penske, and Bobby Rahal all won the Runoffs. They are legends in the sport.
So I work as a development engineer and performance test driver. Passion for racing, I say, really started through love of cars and through with my dad, you know, going to car shows, going to races in Virginia at Virginia International Raceway, watching racing on TV, like Formula One, Grand Am.
We've been to every Runoffs that Dave has been to, starting in mid-Ohio when he was in a T4 car. So it becomes a family affair. It's a wonderful way to connect. SCCA, it's a great way to stay involved with your kid as he gets older, and you know, jobs and lives pull you apart.
I'm a mechanical engineer, so I went to school, you know, basically with the thought that I would design race cars, work for race teams, and ended up falling in love with driving and trying to find a way to drive race cars as much as possible.
All right, what are you doing next now?
It's my first time at this track in this car, so just kind of checking some low-hanging fruit of where I can improve. I'm comparing Denny with my teammate, Denny Stripling, who's, you know, he's okay. You know, we like him.
Front of the field, Denny Stripling, visors down, focused, ready to go.
Denny Stripling, he's kind of become, you know, one of the big benchmarks in the class, and he's super competitive.
It's a hardcore competition between the groups. So we've got myself and Russ. David Ogburn is up and coming. He's running with us as well. He and I are both from Texas. And then we'll draft together and we'll kind of end up with a little pack. And, you know, there's some favoritism inside that pack. There's no two ways about it.
Teammates Ogburn, Stripling, and Turner are going to sweep the podium.
Russ Turner is our other teammate is here this weekend.
Charles Russell Turner comes through.
Russ is super accomplished. He won the national championship last year at Road America.
2 gold medals in a row in 2 different classes. Charles Russell Turner.
Another gold for you, Russ.
One of the smartest people I've ever been around. Super talented engineer and is super cerebral as a driver and very competent now.
How much time we got? 10 minutes? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get in and then...
Since I've had kids, things have changed. I don't want to always look to the future and kind of enjoy what I'm doing right now, because the competition that I have in Spec Racer Ford, it's really high level. It's pushing me to be a better driver, and I really enjoy it. You know, I still have some dreams of maybe driving in IMSA or a big race like the Rolex 24 in Daytona, but for me, it's really more, I want to enjoy the journey.
Subscribe to Amateur Racer and join us for more on-track content.